is 16,000 naira. You can see that the minimum right here is 16,000 naira, and when you are going through the mobile top up is actually 1,800 naira. So right here I explained in my previous video that locate actually deals with photographs of location or companies. So once you click on mine, just be rest assured that you're taking pictures about locations or companies. Now when you come right here, you can see fried soups in your community. So this involves you taking pictures in your community and also getting some insights about what they want you to do. However, before we proceed with this video, if you're actually coming to this channel for the first time or you're hearing my voice for the first time, this is the voice of Joachim. So what we do right on this platform is to leverage online platforms to get some rewards for ourselves. Now if this sounds like what you're interested in, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can always notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you're about to watch. So without no further ado, let's dive into the business of today. So you can see that these ones are high paying tax. You can see them right here. We have power plants, we have ports and harbor. So you can see them right here. You can go ahead to click on CMO so you can see all of them right here. But most times this social equality comes regularly. You can also click to see more. You are going to be seeing all of the social equality tax right here, which is the survey. So that is how this platform works. You can go ahead to turn on your location and work with your phone, so you can change locations to get more tax assigned to you. Now for some of us, you are going to be finding this social equality tax. I already saved this, so once you are not available for a particular survey, you can always save that. So that is why you're seeing this right here. I saved it so you can see it. So once you're on this page, you are going to be seeing save or start now. So I've saved it, so it's better you save it, so when you come back you don't have to start finding it or the survey is actually out of time. So right here it says 3 to 4 minutes to complete. Answer a few questions about your view on social, politics and economic quality in your country. So click on start now. So this is a very simple one. You don't need to take photographs or picture for this. You can stay in your apartments, wherever you are, to take the social equality. So it says, how much do you agree with the following statement? Generally, I feel that I am treated equally in comparison to other citizens. So this is pertaining to your country. So we are actually, like me now, I'm in Nigeria, so I'm just going to be saying I disagree or neither agree nor disagree. So remember on surveys we said that there's no right or there's no wrong answer. So we are just going to follow that rule. So you can see which of the following best describes the reason or reasons why other citizens might feel they have fewer opportunities or privilege in your country. So let me say I'm going for religion. We actually know that on surveys there's no right or wrong answer, so you choose the one that you think is best for this. So I'm actually going towards this religious affiliate. I'm clicking on next. So how much do you agree with the following statements? People of all backgrounds in my country generally have access to the same education. So how much do you agree with the following statements? People of all backgrounds in my country generally okay, let's say I'll go for this. How much do you agree with the following statement? I'll go for this. How much do you agree? Let me strongly agree. How much do you agree with the overall people background have access to the same housing? Agree. So over the past 5 years, how has the general level of equality of citizens in your country changed? So we are going to be picking, I just want to be truthful in my answers because I am in Nigeria, so I'm going to be answering this according to what I'm facing right in my country. So right here it says, why do you think equality for citizens in your country has declined over the past 5 years? Increase in corruption among government officials, increase in, I don't need to go far, so I'm just going to select this and I'm going to continue. How do you think equality for citizens in your country has declined over the past 5 years? So I'm just going over to pick any right here. Employers in the private sector, non-governmental organizations in my country influence the government to see. So you can just go right here. Voters supported new national or local leader who undercut social equality. So you can go for any of these right here. So this next one says, which aspect of inequality do you think the government should prioritize addressing? So There are so many in my country. So but first of all, I should be going for what's it called, this particular one, ethnic or race affiliation, because that's mostly what we are facing in the country. To the best to the best of your knowledge, which aspects of equality has your national government prioritized the most? So we can go for any right here. So let me go for language. To the best of your knowledge, which of the aspect of inequality has your national government prioritized in the list? So let's go for religion. So right here it says submit tax. So this is the final stage of this tax, and they said, are you sure? You will not be able to change your answers once you submit. So click on OK. So your answer will be submitted. So what you just need to do is to hold on between 24 to 72 hours. You are going to be getting a response from this particular tax. So you can go ahead to close this. So once you go over to your account, you can actually see that this particular survey is on review. You can see that it's actually on review. So once it's accepted, you are going to be given the actual reward for this, and that is going to be reflecting on your balance. So once you have this equality tax on your account, it is always advisable you save it or you go ahead doing it, notwithstanding that the reward is very small. But once you have multiple of this, you are going to be making some earnings right with it. So that is how you can get to do the tax on social equality. Just like my previous video, if you don't go ahead taking the best practice guide on your account, you won't be given access to get more tax on your account. Just like this social equality tax I took, you won't be able to get that frequently on your account. So it's advisable you go ahead taking your first practice text. It's always come on intervals. So once you see any best practice text, go ahead to take that. That is actually giving you access to get more tax on your account and unlock some service and social equality tax for you. So that is what you need to do on your account. Always take any best practice test you see on your account to unlock more service and also more tax on your account. So that is what you need to do on your account to get it always activated. So guys, just like the continuation of this particular how to take this tax on premise, so right here you can see I also saved this, so we can go ahead to take this particular tax, which is from 3 to 4 minutes to complete. So you can see right here you can save or you can unsave. So just go ahead to click on start now, as you can see. So I'm going to be answering these questions right here. So I'm just going to answer this. Would you say your current income allows you consistently pay for? I'm going to be showing you my balance. This was one of my students I created this account for, so I'm still going to create more account for. So I'm still going to create more account for my students, okay, and for you watching. So all you just need to do is to comment the word premise. So I'm going to be randomly picking any winner to create an account for. Over the past month, were you able to save a portion of your income? How much do you agree with the following statement? Currently, I feel prepared to manage a personal financial emergency. Okay, if your income is disrupted, who would be able to provide you with financial support? So you can see this yourself. How much do you agree with the following statements? I have the skill I need to get more satisfying job in my local area. How much do you agree with the following statement? I am aware of job training or skill development program in my area. Have you ever attended a job training or skill development program in your area? Overall, how satisfied are you with the current economic condition in your local area? How much do you agree with the following statement? Currently in my local area, there are good enough quality jobs to support a good standard of living. Over the past year, how have employment opportunity in your local area changed? Greatly. Let me go for this. So you can see right now that I'm answering these questions and there are no wrong or right answers. So they are very simple for you to choose your answer. So it depends on your honest opinion. Okay, so it is your honest opinion that actually gives you your remark. Over the next 6 months, how likely are you to move from your city in order to find a better job? Unlikely. So these are just simple ways you can answer these survey questions. Which of the following characteristics would be most important to you when looking for a job. So it's always the salary. Which of the following characteristics would be least important to you when looking for a job? Okay, so distance, employment benefits, work-life benefits, work environment, salary, distance. Okay, how much do you agree with the following statement? The majority of the people in my local area need 2 jobs in order to pay, so I should go for this. Over the past years, how has the number of informal laborers in your local area changed? Over the past year, how has the number of street vendors in your local area changed? So it depends on you. So once you're done answering these questions, you'll be rewarded for these particular questions. Over the past year in your local area, how has the number of the people asking for food greatly increased? So you can see right now, submit task. This is the final task. Are you sure? You will not be able to change your answers once you submit, so click on OK. So they will have to review this, so it will be under review after maybe 24 hours, or the case may be. You are going to be getting the reward for this. So imagine you're actually going ahead taking all these tasks every single day, because every single day you come in, you're going to be seeing tasks right here. So my advice for you is to always go over to this locate task right here. So this locate task actually deals with your location, okay, where you need to take pictures of a company or a product. Okay, so right here you can see mines in your areas, also power plants, and also the port and harbor. So if you want me to make a video on how to answer these ones, practical videos where I'll be taking pictures of these, go down below and comment that, and I'll be making a video of that. Now when you come over to my wallet, you can see that I have only 12 naira on my balance. Now like I said, I just created this account for one of my students, just like the way you're watching me. All you just need to do is to go down below this video and comment premise. So I randomly pick people I create account for. I create Europe account, I create dollar account, I create naira account for different people depending on your location. So if you actually want me to make a video about how to get approved on your tax, you can also comment that. All you just need to do is to drop a comment regarding what interests you, and I'm going to be choosing randomly from the comment section. So this account belongs to this particular person. I've actually answered the basic practice text, and I've did one survey, and this is another survey I just did for this person. So I can actually do this particular one for this person because he needs to also do this himself. So once he goes ahead doing all this, he's going to be acclimating more to his wallet. So that is all you need to know about premises for the naira account. So you can actually go ahead to log in every day and do the tax yourself. Now you can see that this particular account has 24 naira. I'm actually using this account because this is one of my student accounts I created, and I'm taking service for him, and I'm just showing you also so you can learn. Now when I took this particular first survey right here, I think I took the what's it called, I took a particular one which I explained earlier, which was the test survey. Okay, and after that I was able to be taking all these surveys one after the other. So every day you come into your account, every 24 hours you're going to be seeing all these particular survey, this particular tax that is here, this particular one that you're seeing survey. So every day you come into your account, you're going to be getting surveys. Now these are for Nigerians, there's no VPN attached to this. So every day when you log into your account, you're going to find this particular survey that is going to be rewarding you 12 naira. Okay, so that is going to be accumulating on your wallet. But you can see right now we took educational health education, so these are actually going to be under review until when it's approved. So when it's approved, it's going to be written approved, and it's going to be accumulating on our wallet right here. So you can see I took the one of social equality, I took the one of jobs and livelihoods, and I took the one of health education. So these are what you'll be getting every single time. Now you can see right here that you can cash out using these two methods. Now when you actually get to the withdrawal threshold, that is when this cash out button will be visible for you. So then you can go through a PayPal means or other means. So right here you can see we have the Bitcoin and we have the mobile top up. Let me say you want to go for the Bitcoin. You can see right here that the minimum right here is 16,000 naira. You can see that the minimum right here is 16,000 naira, and when you are going through the mobile top up is actually 1,800 naira. So when you come right to this Bitcoin right here, what you just need to do is to see that you still need to accumulate more earnings to your account. Now when you come down to add wallet, you can go ahead to add your details right here, then click on next, then proceed in making a withdrawal, but you need to accumulate more on your account. Now these are for Nigerians. So these are what you are going to be doing, and you're earning in naira. You're not going to be using any VPN for that. Like I said, if you actually want to leverage more, these are what you're going to be doing. Now all these tags will want you to leave a particular location to go and take pictures of this. So you can go ahead to start, and you can see the minutes, which is between 5 to 10 minutes. So you can do this on your own. Now I'm only going to be showing those that are going to be attending my live how they can actually take this locate tags right here, these particular ones you're seeing right here. So these are what is going to be boosting your rewards on your account. Now when you come down to your accounts, you need to also refer your friends that are Nigerians to copy your affiliate link and share with them. So it is not actually compulsory. For Nigerians, you're not going to be earning that much, only if you actually want to go ahead doing these particular ones, because these tags actually come frequently every single day, and this particular one also comes every single day. This particular survey comes every single day. Now I'm going to be showing some of you, or those of you that will be attending my live, how to loot this with proxy and also VPN. And so thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you got value and understand how it works, and if you did, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can always notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. See you on my next video, and keep winning.